Do you have problems with your 3D printer?
Well, this is the video for you.
Today we're going to be talking about filament jams.
Let's get right into it. First, you need to detach the extruder.
That is located on the back of the brain.
Once you remove the extruder, you want to open it up by unscrewing these 4 screws.
Piece bearing and take it out to the side, and then put this little bearing piece, pick it out and put it out to the side too. That opens up a spot to take this big piece out that feeds in the filament, and then you have access to this little tube.
Next, you want to look in this white tube and see if there's any filament. If there is, remove it. If there's no filament in the tube, you can use filament clippers to get the excess out.
Once you're done with that, you want to reassemble. What you want to do to reassemble is take this piece, see the bottom of it, how it has this area. You want to align it up with the white tube and put it in there and make sure it goes in. Then you want to put the bearing back where the flat side is on top.
Then you're going to want to put the front plate back on.
Now that you're done with that, you just want to attach it back onto the brain and then do a test print, and there you go.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go sub to his channel, Nick's Fishing Adventures. See you in the next video.